Middies! Middies! Fuck your headies, we got middies in ATown!
Yeah. Something old, twisted and new. You know how it goes. The game is over, the game is over. 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 It's a small amount of empties that materialize. Here's a better people on the start before you're talking that shit. The game is over, that you heard and I will tell you it's shit. It's a shit, it's not it, it's just a leonine. It's just a sickness, what I think is virus. Time for practice, my acrobatics. I'm feeling naughtics with tragic toxics. My tongue around sick. So nigga, when you're asking, the game is over, the game is over. No, the game is over, the game is over. The game is over, the game is over. The game is over, the game is over. Dee-dee-dee-da-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh yes, I got MCs with you, please come out and play. Mr. A rebel, me I'm the devil. And then an angel on another level. Me so the never. Me I think in the beat and I reggaeton. If I wear my heart, I be a reggae still alive. Well, why don't I tell you, they haven't sell you. They try to sell you, they probably fail you. The game is over, the game is over. 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 I like that crash, I do my God. I like that crash, they say. I like that crash, I do my God. I think they want it, but they must mistake me. They must want a nanny. They can't do no honey. Talik and salami, when not alarm me. Welcome with that story, cause that's not a worry. You're really a flurry, don't worry, just burn me. Just close some but early, don't be like a bird. You think I'm returned, the robber in the game. Whoever assault me, right now you know me. Right now you know me, so the game is over, the game is over. 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 Es rico, para que lo escuchen como lo digo.
They told me what happened. All right. You're still young, and things like that always happen. When you learn, then you'll know not to make those mistakes.
Really? These dudes don't want it with Jack, no, my set glow. Hate it or you love it, but you gonna respect though. You ain't got to know my name. Check the blood, sweat, and tears. For years, niggas know I bang. I'm a main nigga taking what you call a boss. On my own too, never taking orders from y'all. What I spit, get the corners involved. Respect on these y'all. This house gang, son, it's more than hard. The life that a glamour and glitz. Best believe on the flip side, niggas, them hammers and clips. Wanna live in high fashion and rich, so we scramble the strip. Camouflage with their hand on the grip. Ain't nothing gonna stop kid from getting his due. No, your feet's not big enough to fit in his shoe. I don't rock with you rap niggas, they be po on the wire. Just not HBO, they on the fire. Heads around the way, we know they time up. Guess that's why they hate me so. But yo, they will never take me though. I have to go like Montana, licking, slipping crazy blow. Still, I be hard to kill like cigar. Warrior built, big shield, a long sword. 1-6 oohing it, doing it, king size. Salutations, that's respecting the king eyes. For those that follow my lead.
I think I landed on that side. I'm not having a good day. But yeah. Today.